it's Dee with TeaQuilts, and it's still Vlogmas. We're on video number 21. This is the Friday upload of December 21st, and I didn't have a plan for today, so what I thought that I would do is I would show you that I have been working on my Cardinals t-shirt quilt. I have pieced a few rows. I've already shown you an introduction where I had one section laid out across my long arm. I have a quilt backing on here, and so I've been kind of working using that to hold my pieces. And I will just show you some of the rows that I have sewn together, and then I'll get a picture of the 3 rows that I have sewn together, but I have 4 rows. So this is actually going to be a very quick video. It's more just of a show and tell of what I've been working on since last Saturday, and I just wanted to share that with you. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. When you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, I go live, or I post a community post. So I will see you all next time.